So in this video we'll discuss map, filter and reduce. Okay, so till now we saw how to define a function, how to define a lambda expression. Okay, so so there is an extension to that which we can achieve using these three functions. So here I have a function which changes the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so if I pass one value to this function, it will change this to 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 a Fahrenheit value. Okay, now what if I have a list of functions 32, 67, 76, 87, 35, 38. Okay, now to change all these values to Fahrenheit, I may use a loop and pass all these values to the function one by one, and then whatever value the function returns, I will again store them in a different array, or instead of that I can use a map function which will map this function to all these values and will give us the values which we want in the form of a list again. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So let's declare a list temp list equals to 23, 45, 21, 24, 67, 87. Now I want all these temperatures to change to Fahrenheit. Okay, so what I'll do is I will store all the values to F, and I'll use map, and the function which I want to map will be the first value which I'll pass inside this function, Fahrenheit, and the second will be the list to which I want to map this function, so that is temp list. Okay, sorry. Right, now if I want to print the list where the values have changed, I'll use printf, but from Python 3.5 onwards you have to use an asterisk in front of f to return the values, and there you go, you have all the values which are changed to Fahrenheit. And similar we can and the same thing we can do for the Celsius function also. So let's do that for the same list. So let's say C equals to map Celsius comma temp list. If I print C, okay, so it changed all the temperature to Celsius. Okay, or let's say you want to change these temperatures back to Celsius, and check if the function is and to check if what we have done is right or not. So instead of temp list, here you may pass F. Okay, and if I print C here, okay, maybe I need to use asterisk here. Now for filter, now let's see how filter works. So let's say I want to filter out the temperatures which are less than 25 from the temp list. Okay, so that's very easy. T is equals to filter, and then I'll use lambda y less than 25, and we'll pass the list here and print star t. Yes, so you can see that it just filtered out the temperature which are less than 25. And last one, let's see how last one, let's see how reduce works. Okay, so for reduce you need to import it from fuck tools, import reduce, right? And then you can take a value. Okay, first of all, what we are trying to do here, we are trying to find the sum of these values. Okay, so the sum will, okay, so let's take a value h, or sum. Okay, sum equals to lambda x comma y, x plus y comma temp list print sum. Okay, oh, I didn't. So let's take a variable sum equals to reduce, sorry, yeah, sum equals to reduce, we'll use lambda, we'll pass x comma y such that x plus y, and we'll pass the second argument temp list. Okay, let's print sum. Yeah, so you can see that it found the sum of all the temperatures inside that list, and we can implement the map function with lambda expression also. So f equals to map, and lambda f such that, okay, lambda c such that 9/5 into c plus 32 comma temp list print star f. It will give you the same result as this one. Here we just pass the function which we defined here, and here instead of the function we change the function to a lambda expression. Okay, so that's how map, filter and reduce works. And I hope the examples and the concepts were clear. Do let me know if you have any doubts, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos on programming, data structures and data science. Thank you so much for watching.